Now, what was the purpose of that? I'm going to try to knock the end of this thing off so I can measure the diameter of the inside. So, see how that goes. Not sure much video I got left on here, but took this off right here and took this off. It basically is, what do you call it? After a million years, it just, let me get my glove because that is freaking hot. It's still hot from the grinder, but this is even warm too. But I ground down the end here because apparently these things are peened on here, and they are really pressed in there. Like, definitely, I'm definitely impressed. But yeah, I'm going to make, where's that thing here? I'm gonna machine this one down to hopefully the same size as that one. And then my next problem is how in the hell to make one of these. The easiest thing for me to do is make one that's square. That's why I bought, this is for the handle, but that's why I bought a 1-inch, I bought some 1-inch bar like this. So this is pretty cool. It's like a giant little meatball thing. So anyway, this old handle, which looks like this. See, here's the old handle. Here's the old part. Wait, let me get a better angle of this. You can see the old handle, and you can see the new one coming along. Like I said, I'm not no machinist, but yeah, looks nice. So anyway, that's another little portion of what I'm doing on this Wilton Vise. I hope everybody likes it, and I'm gonna like I said, I'm gonna stitch all these videos together. So.